Hey Jason, this is Tabitha with Beast Bay Digital out here in the East Bay. We spoke on the phone earlier, and here's the video I wanted to show you about how to improve your presence online and ultimately get you more customers. I'm going to be covering 3 things in this video, and that is content, backlinks, and citations. These are 3 important things when it comes to ranking your website and bringing on new customers for your service. So with that, let's get to it. I have your website pulled up here, P-Line Automotive Glass. Gotta say, love the simplicity of it. Everything is straight to the point. Love the color. That's actually one of my favorite colors, but besides that, anyway. I love that there's information everywhere, option to call now, where you're at, the testimonials, what you guys are about, just some photos of your work, and then all the information about your business down here. Getting to the first topic, content, Google loves it. They prefer if you have at least 2,000 words on the first page. And I see that you have some here. But adding more wouldn't hurt, and in that content, it would clearly explain what you do, who you are, and include keywords and phrases and terms that people search on Google. Another thing Google looks at in the content is the photos. Now they don't look at the photos, but they do look at what the photos are saved under, or what they say, which here is just the year that the photo was added. And it could easily be changed to P-Line Automotive Glass, Oakland, California, or windshield repair, Oakland, California, or Oakland, California auto glass repair, and so on. And if you have any more photos, add all the photos, because that would help out a lot in the content category. I'm going to bring you over to your competitor, Glass on the Move. And as you can see, they have a bit of content on on their landing page, kind of explaining who they are. Their information is everywhere, like their numbers are at the top and throughout the content. Not a lot of photos, but they do have all of their services on a different page. And on each page, they have a kind of a small description of that service. Here they have a description, and then in the heavy equipment, they just have examples of the work they've done with heavy equipment. The second thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. I'm going to take you over to this website called Ahrefs, and it's about like $400 a month to use. It shows me how sites are performing, which is nifty. Looking at your stats, we only have a little bit of backlinks, and we're ranking for a little bit of keywords. If you look here, here is what you are ranking for, keyword-wise. As you can see, the volume here, this is how many people are searching for these keywords each month. And that's about like 400 to 500 searches each month that you are missing out on opportunities. We're taking a look at the position here, and that is where you are in the SERPs, or the search engine results page. And you are on what looks like the 3rd page here for these keywords, and the 4th page here for the keywords down here. Taking a look over at your competitors' stats with Auto Glass on the Move, you can see they have nearly 1,000 backlinks, and I want to tell you, not all backlinks are created equal. Here I could show you that they have the UR where it's the strength of the URL, so they have a good strength, but the DR, which is on the down low, is the trust that these links have. You also want to look at their keywords. They have 414. You can see that they're in the number 1 or the first page positions for all of these keywords that all of these people are looking up each month. The last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. Now citations, it is your name, address, and phone number listed all over the web. Now I looked up P-Line Automotive Oakland, and I see that you have a Google My Business happening, but it would be great to optimize it, adding more pictures and more information about your business here. Great job on the Google reviews. Reviews are fantastic. If you get enough citations, you will be found on this Google Map Pack, and the ones that are up here, they have a good amount of citations to show Google that they're an important business. You can add citations, your citation to like Yellow Pages or bbb.com, Facebook, Instagram, just anywhere where you can put your name, address, and phone number on the web. So those are the 3 things I wanted to show you in this video to give you ways to improve your online presence. Once again, that's content, just anything on your first page with pictures and enough words on it that have like the keywords needed to get you ranked. And there's backlinks, and those are the links that create a different avenue for people to find your business. And then there's citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed all over the web. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video and learned a lot. Feel free to use this information however you'd like. If you have any questions, contact me. I'll put my information in the email. And also, let me know what you think of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and